Hey there everyone, the Bank Insider here. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to register and apply for your passport using the eHome Affairs website. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a refresher, this tutorial is designed to make the process super easy and stress-free.
If you're new to our channel, this is your go-to place for insider tips on using fintech applications in South Africa.
Let's get started.
Step 1. Access the eHome Affairs website. Open your preferred search browser and type in ehome.dha.za. Once you're on the site, click on Go to Registration to begin creating your eHome Affairs profile. Step 2. Create your profile. Enter your account information exactly as it appears on your identity document. After filling in the CAPTCHA, click Next at the bottom right-hand corner. Create a secure password that you'll use to log into the DHA website. Answer the security questions to enhance the safety of your profile. These will help you recover your account if you forget your password or if your profile is compromised. Once you've answered the last question, click Next at the bottom right-hand corner. Step 3. Verify your account. An OTP, one-time PIN, will be sent to the cell phone number you used to register. Enter the OTP and click Next. You'll now land on the email verification required screen. Read the instructions carefully and verify your email address. After verifying your email, click Login at the bottom right-hand corner. Step 4. Log in to your profile. Enter your ID number and password. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Log On. Enter the OTP sent to your cell phone number and click Submit. Step 5. Apply for your passport. Click on Create New Application. Select whether the application is for yourself or someone else. Click Start Application Process at the bottom right-hand corner. Fill in the details under For Whom is the document and click Create Application Products. Choose the type of application, e.g. passport, under What are you applying for, and click Create Application Form. Step 6. Complete the application form. Some fields under For Whom is the document add details will be auto-populated by the system. Fill in any missing information manually. Select the relevant options under Marital Status Details. Enter your physical address details. Choose the appropriate option under Postal Address Details. Under Identity Card Application, click the drop-down arrow next to At which Home Affairs office would you like to collect your document? We recommend selecting a bank branch for convenience. Click the drop-down arrow next to Please select a reason for the application and choose the most relevant option. Always remember to click Save as you fill out the form to avoid losing your progress. Once you've completed the form, click Submit. Step 7. Submit supporting documents. If the website requires any supporting documents, it will list them here. Upload the necessary files if applicable. If no documents are needed, simply click Next at the bottom right-hand corner. Step 8. Make the payment. You'll now land on the payment screen. Read the instructions carefully. Select your preferred bank under Select Payment Method. If you choose Nedbank, enter your bank profile number. This number starts with a 3. After entering your profile number, click Initiate Payment. The payment status will show as Submitted to Bank. Step 9. Complete the payment via Nedbank Money App. Open the Nedbank Money App and log in. Click on Transact, then select Government Payment. Look for the Home Affairs e-channel payment under Pending. Select the account you want to use for the transaction and enter the notification details. Click Next. Review the payment information and then click Pay at the bottom center of the screen. Once the payment is processed, you'll see the transaction under Processed in the Government Payment section. Step 10. Book your fingerprint and photo appointment. Head back to the eHome Affairs website and click Next. Select the province, city, suburb, branch type, and branch where you'd like to book and collect your passport. Choose a suitable date range for your appointment. Click Get Available Time Slots at the bottom right-hand corner. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and click Make Booking. Review the booking details and click Confirm Booking at the bottom right-hand corner. And you're done. Your application and booking are now officially submitted and confirmed. You'll receive an SMS and email confirming your application and appointment details. We hope this tutorial made the process easy and stress-free for you.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe for more user-friendly guides. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, this is the Bank Insider signing off.